Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Happy Fiesta po sa inyo. Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon. Akala ko po 10 lang ang magsisimba ngayon, no? At kung mapupuno nyo na po yung ating wooden pews. And we greet you from your home, a blessed fiesta as we celebrate today the solemnity of the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Meron po ba dito yung mga narito kahapong gabi? Meron po ba? Yan, may mga ilan-ilan po akong nakita na yan. No? So salamat po sa pakikiisa po ninyo sa ating prosesyon kagabi at sana ay nakadasal po kayo. And for the rest of us here, we wish to welcome all of you and once more to greet you a happy fiesta of our cathedral, the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Let me begin our reflection this morning. Year 2011, when a known boy band, One Direction, produced this song entitled, What Makes You Beautiful. I have no intention to sing it to you this morning. Umagang-umaga pa ho. No? Kung ako po ang 6 p.m. Mass, pwede pa ho siguro. Isa siya pong kanta na tila nagpapalakas ng loob ng isang tao na totoo nga may kabutihan ka, maganda ka. The lyrics would even press on important reminders and even eye-openers about beauty. When one can light up the world, when one's smile, one's goodness, that makes him or makes her beautiful. I wish you to look at the baldachin of the Manila Cathedral. It says there some praises about the Virgin Mary, and I invite you, let us all together read the words, Tota pulcra es Maria, et macula originalis non est in te. You are all beautiful, O Mary, and the stain of original sin is not in you. And maybe we will ask the Blessed Mother, Mama Mary, what made you beautiful? Or maybe up until now, kahit po siguro sa dekorasyon na mayroon tayo, we will be asking her, what makes you beautiful, Mama Mary? Bakit ang ganda mo? And the answer is not far from the statement, because the original sin is not in her. Whatever can make her ugly, whatever can make her dirty, filthy, and even lifeless, God freed Mary. Her beauty lies inside a clean and happy heart. Mary's beauty won't rest in cosmetics or any surgical operations or procedures that can add her beauty. Maganda si Maria dahil malinis ang kanyang puso at malinis ang kanyang buhay. Ikinaganda po ni Maria ang kanyang pagtugon niya sa Diyos. Ikinaganda ni Maria yung pagdalaw niya kay Elizabeth ng may malasakit. Ikinaganda ni Maria yung kanyang pag-iisip sa mga taong wala ng kasiyahan. If you will remember the story of the wedding at Cana, when she stood at the fruit of the cross of her son, that made her more beautiful. At the moment of her conception, Mary was freed from all that can make her ugly and lifeless. Sin, mistakes, troubles, and whatsoever. And that made her beautiful. At hindi lang po doon, yung naging buhay ni Maria, masasabi natin, mas kinaganda niya ang pagiging tapat sa Diyos, ang pagiging matulungin, ang pagiging concerned, at ang pagiging matapang sa gitna ng krus ng kanyang anak. Mga minamahal kong kapatid, ikinaganda ni Maria ang pagiging walang sala, ang pagiging tapat, ang pagiging matapang, ang pagiging mapagbigay. Siguro po kaya natin yung mga huli kong nasabi, but to be without sin is something that we cannot all embrace. Pero kaya po nating umiwas sa mali o sa anumang magpapapangit sa atin. Hindi po natin ikagagwapo o ikagaganda ang hayagang paninira sa harapan ng mga tao. Hindi po natin ikagaganda o ikagagwapo ang magnakaw ng hindi naman para sa atin. Hindi po natin ikagaganda o ikagagwapo ang pagiging madamot sa kung ano man ang meron tayo. Hindi po natin ikagaganda o ikagagwapo ang pag-cheat, ang pananakit ng damdamin, ang hindi mag-alay ng panahon o presensya sa mga tao sa paligid natin. Magawa natin ang mga bagay na ito, mababawasan ang kagandahan, kagwapuhan na mayroon tayo, papangit tayo. What made Mary beautiful? Because she was freed from what can make her ugly and lifeless. And it is a mother's desire that as she is beautiful, she wants you and me to be handsome and beautiful as well. Madami man pong pwedeng magsira o magpapangit sa ating puso, Mary will always be there to make us beautiful. Being sinless, being good, being a loving mother, those things made her beautiful. And we can do the same when we reject sin, when we live in goodness, when we love, that will always make us beautiful.